Okay, everybody, we are here. We have a nice room here at the Palazzo. And maybe you don't know, but every room is a suite. This is the standard room that you get if you book the Palazzo. It's got a really nice, comfortable bed, a nice closet, very nice, and a really nice sitting area. So I'll open some shades for you. But look, you got king bed, sitting area, 2 TVs, and a view of the Las Vegas Strip. Treasure Island. Let me get that. Yep, perfect. So again, this view from here, every room is a suite. So find the link below, save you some money, and book this hotel room at the Palazzo. Bye.